everybody, Doward here. Building a little table I picked up from Ikea. Ikea in Jacksonville just opened up, so 10 bucks later I got an end table. Let's put it together. So the table I got's this birch effect, and yeah, I air quoted that for this lack table. It's nothing more than a top with 4 legs, a little bit of hardware. This should be pretty easy to put together, but you can see it's just, looks like particle board. Nothing fancy here. Let's get it open. I love these little Ikea guys, these little guys that show, like this guy, you're supposed to do this, I guess, with your hand behind your back, according to this. This is a lot of box for what feels like very little hardware. It is literally just 4 little studs. 4 wood studs.
So there's not much to the lack table. You've got 4 legs and those 4 studs. See, the studs are going to start in each one of the holes, and then you're just going to screw the leg down. The key is to be very straight with it. You don't want to get knocked off to the side or have your leg go in crooked, as that'll cause all kinds of issues.
So you can see the shoulder here, as I drive this down, that shoulder will stop. And then the leg will come down the rest of the way. And all I want to do is tighten this just to the point that the leg touches the bottom. And then we're done. Just like that. Do all 4 legs the same way. Easy peasy.
Here's a better picture of the hole that you're going to put the stud into. And the hole, of course, on the bottom side of the table. Screw it in, trying to, as best you can, to keep everything as straight as possible. And then just screw it down until it's done.
And be careful you don't over tighten these. It'd be very easy to pull that stud right through this weak wood. So as soon as you see it or hear it start dragging, finish out that turn, done. There you go. Easy as can be. Table, all done. Let's go set it up. Table. So there you go. Just tossing together another little Ikea part for you guys. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.